Samsung has always been quite excellent at ensuring that its phones get the most recent Android updates. In fact, they were among the first to do so. They used to give many of their phones 2 major updates, something not many other phone companies did. Samsung initially struggled to provide updates on time, but they improved with time. Still, they may not be the fastest in sending updates when compared to other companies. Because they have a lot of different phones to care for, Samsung improved their software update rules in 2019. They stated that they would give 3 important OLED upgrades to all of their top-tier phones and some of their mid-range phones, but what really sets Samsung apart was how much they supported their phones. They fared much better 2 years later. Samsung said that its top-tier phones and certain mid-range models will get 4 Android OS updates and would remain safe with updates for 5 years. This was a degree of commitment that no other Android phone maker matched. Although several Chinese phone companies started to follow this pattern, it was unexpected that Google, the corporation responsible for the Android system, did not modify its course. Pixel phones, whether old or new, would only get 3 major Android updates, and this hasn't changed until recently. Today, Google might possibly compete with Samsung in the Android update game. They just announced the Pixel 8 line of phones, and Google revealed that the Pixel 8 and likely all subsequent phones would get updates for 7 years. That is 2 years longer than Samsung and almost as long as Apple, but Apple has occasionally issued iPhone updates for more than 7 years. It is crucial to note that this 7 years of updates will include 7 major Android version updates, security improvements, and occasional bug patches. Google will go into further depth in a blog post on their own blog site. Today, we announced our commitment to offer 7 years of software support for the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, including Android OS updates, security updates, and frequent feature updates. That means your Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro will be supported until 2030. No other major smartphone company provides this degree of commitment. This makes these phones a more sustainable smartphone option since they will be safe and work well for the next 7 years. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.